For a long time, many of us believe that corruption only happens at the top level. We think about high officials, big projects, and money worth billions. But in reality, corruption does not always start with something big. Very often, it begins with small habits that we see as normal and harmless. In 2025, Indonesia is still facing serious corruption issues. Okay, everyone. Hello, my name is Dinda Mutiara Syabila, and now I'm going to talk about the one of lately news happened in Indonesia, that is corruption. Based on the Integrity Assessment Survey 2025, many public institutions are still considered vulnerable to corruption. Even though there has been a slight improvement, this shows that the problem is far from solved. Data from the Corruption Eradication Commission, aka KPK, in 2025 also shows that more than 50% of corruption cases come from local governments. The problem is, big corruption cases like this almost always start from simple actions, such as accepting thank you money, manipulating small reports, or choosing to stay silent when we see dishonest behavior because we think it is not our responsibility. When these small actions are normalized, we unknowingly help corruption continue to exist. Okay, as the younger generation, especially Gen Z, we have an important role, not only as critics on social media, but as generations that dares to stop corruption, starting from the smallest actions. Because corruption does not always begin with big numbers, but with one small decision to be dishonest. If we want a cleaner Indonesia, change must start from our daily attitudes and actions. So, let us say no to corruption in any form. Start small and start now. Thank you for watching and thank you for all of your attention. And last, I say goodbye. Bye bye everyone.